don't want to get run over. They're driving pretty fast too. Yeah, I thought we were supposed to drive slow through here. Goodness. All right, well. Drinking his coffee and going. All right, well, National Seashore. We've had luck here. Well, yeah, Old Faithful, right? Well, I thought Blind Tiger was Old Faithful, but that didn't turn out to be anything really. Two croakers. So let's see what we can make happen here, y'all. Let's get at it. It's a good one. Almost took the rod out of my hand, y'all.
Because you was on your phone.
I was on my phone. I'm sorry.
Goofing off.
I always goof off.
What you got? What is it? What's the verdict?
I'm about to see.
Red.
Red. Inhaled it. I didn't bring the pliers. All right. Goodness. Ooh, yo, that's a nice keeper red. About 18, 19 inches. Might keep them actually. I don't know. Do you want them?
Yeah, definitely.
No. Pretty fish. 18, 19 inches. Beautiful blue tail. Beautiful fish, y'all. Good to be good to go. Nice and safe release. Boop. Bye, buddy. He came back.
Here.
You getting smoked? You getting smoked? Get him.
Boys. That's he went. Yeah, I'm getting smoked
By them gnats.
Everything I am showing. I'm taking my tackle box.
Just take the bait. Take the bait. I gotta. No, you done? You going to the truck? It's bad, man. I'm covered in gnats, y'all. It is horrible. So bad. Y'all had to do what Eli did, man. I had to get out of there. We caught a bunch of croakers, a bunch of just croakers really. I caught one redfish, a lot of shrimp. Y'all, it's not worth it. So what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go over to Cedar Swamp, go see Rocky for a minute. We haven't seen him on the channel in a minute, so let's go hang out for a little bit, and I'll see y'all at the store. We're headed back to Cedar Swamp. I had to eat some lunch. We went to Kill a Crab in Gaucher. Did you enjoy your meal?
No.
Okay, well, he didn't enjoy his meal because he's sick, it's his throat, you know. Was the food at least decent?
It was good. It was really good, but it was hard work. Very hard work.
So the food
Bit my lip.
he bit his lip.
I almost gave up.
Yeah, that was pretty bad. But we're gonna go back to Cedar Swamp, see Rocky for a little bit. Malcolm bought him a sandwich. It was so nice.
It's the first time he let me buy him a meal. My boo thing.
All right, let's go back to Cedar Swamp. That's just,
Oh my God.
yeah. What?
That's the trunk that's LS.
I don't expect us to get out of this.
His face. I feel like I lost a little weight.
It don't look like it.
Give me the key.
It's a push to start.
You need the key to be in the car
You need to roll your ass out.
so I can roll the window down. Yep, stole this one too.
What's up? You ready?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, right there on the seat.
Yep. Get Billy.
Yeah. Oh, my bad, dude. Let's go get them. So we are in the woods right now. I left my rifle in the truck. I'm not gonna hunt because I just thought about it. I don't have a hunt license. I don't have a license, so I don't really hunt much. I'm here for Brian, and we're gonna have fun with it. But it's a nice place, y'all. And there's another plot with a blind. How many plots do you have?
Including this one, I have 3.
3?
Yeah.
Okay. So fingers crossed that Brian, I don't care if it's a doe, I don't care if it's a buck, I want him to put something, you know, on the ground, because price of food right now is getting kind of ridiculous and we need meat. So
Yeah, we gotta eat.
yeah, but there is a buck that he's been going after for 3 years now, so hopefully he walks out and gives us the opportunity. And I'll try to coach you through the shooting process. Brian doesn't shoot rifles much,
I'm
so
a bow hunter.
he is a bow hunter. I shoot firearms quite a bit, so I think we got this. He's got me. We got this. So y'all stick with us. Let's get out there in the woods and have some fun. We got a long walk ahead of us, and I'm fat. I got me a belly. I just ate some food, so y'all
come on, power line, look down me like, oh my God.
So y'all let me know if you want to see more of these kind of episodes where we go hunting. Tomorrow we will be doing a video with Mississippi Salt, Mason Boys Outdoors, and maybe somebody else. I don't know yet. I don't know if Andrew Googans is coming or not. So y'all stick with us. Let's have some fun, and y'all let me know if you like these kind of episodes.
Northeast wind, so it's kind of blowing our scent back behind us. And the way these deer have been coming in, they've been coming in to the south side and walking in, so that'll be pretty good. Hopefully I can connect on something this evening. I've been really trying to hold out on this big 8-point I got on camera down here, but if a doe comes in early, she probably gonna get shot. I ain't gonna lie, cause like we said earlier, the meat's is expensive right now in the market, so we're gonna get some meat in the freezer today, hopefully. So y'all stay tuned. We'll put one on the ground.
Ain't nothing gonna come out with us laughing the whole time. He's farting. It's just, you know, one thing after the other.
Why you gotta tell me what I be doing though?
Because there was in a video a long time ago, you were farting your brains out.
Dude, I was nervous.
We did hear something big, and he was just letting loose, and it was just like, oh my gosh.
Can't control the nerves, Lawrence. I just go.
So this is what it's like sitting in a blind with us. Don't invite me hunting.
Never again. Even the squirrel down there's like, I'm about to go up this tree and leave these fools alone.
Where's the squirrel?
It's down there.
We have a squirrel?
It's been down there.
Oh, hey, something came out, y'all. I can't see it, though. But, alright, we're just waiting on a deer. We'll get back to you if something... Oh, just spooked it here. We're walking out. So, we've seen a total of 4 deer so far. 2 decent does, 2 little ones. They were so small I thought one was a bobcat. They were babies. But hopefully something comes out. Check out the plots. Banana spider. Oh God. Alright, so I watched these deer roll in. I went over there because I just feel like I'm too noticeable in blue jeans. Deer rolled in through here, came out and walked out. I was waiting for Brian to pull the trigger. I hope he hit him. It looked like he might have hit one. It was about 3 of them. So I'm hoping he made a good shot. I just think me being there, I was just... We got some meat, y'all. We got some meat.
Big old
Oh,
is, huh?
God, dog, look at the hole in her.
I think I shot her a little high.
Yeah, you did shoot her high. All right, we flipped her over that way. Not much blood, but Brian, get down there real quick and show him a little. Brian, how much you? How big are you? 6'2", 6'3"?
Yeah, 6'2".
6'2". I mean, that's
That's about 150-pound doe.
It's a good doe. Really good doe. That's meat in the freezer, y'all.
Sure enough is.
That's what we came after. So awesome, dude. She's pretty.
I'll put her down, Bo.
Well,
good clean kill.
good clean. Yeah. Instant. So thank you, Lord, for blessing us with this doe.
Man.
That way we're able to feed some families, our families, right?
That's right.
So
Put
good.
some meat on the table.
Yep.
Break the ice. First one of the year.
First one of the year. Let's go get a truck and let's load her up. Great time out there. I'm exhausted. I don't know why I'm so tired, but I went on a walk today, and then we walked in the field. I'm you know, I'm a walking kind of guy. I'm sleepy now, but it was fun. Had a great time today. Brian got him a doe. We saw a lot of deer.
A lot of deer.
So many deer. And right now the bucks are in the field eating, which is okay. It's okay.
It's all right.
Yeah, they like to come out at night. So I appreciate every single one of y'all watching. Hopefully everything turned out good. I don't know. We don't really do these kind of videos, but if you like it, then let us know. We'll try to do more videos. This is actually
Our first successful trip.
and trying to capture it on video is a little difficult sometimes. So especially with the new rules and everything on YouTube of not showing the actual animal get shot.
Yeah. It's
So
kind of weird, but it is what it is.
so you got to abide by those rules, but I appreciate every single one of y'all watching. I love y'all, and we'll see you on the next one.
Oh yeah.
Bye, y'all. Fishing. Yeah, we're going fishing in the morning, so I can go to bed.
Yeah. Hopefully we'll wake up.
It's gonna be cold. All right, y'all. Love you. Bye.